Piyush, hi, afternoon. What would you attribute this rampant selling in the market to?
Yeah, hi, good afternoon. No, it's I think this global risk-off mode which the market is in for I think last couple of weeks because of the strengthening of US dollar and weakening of global emerging market currencies, and then the Fed taper last week. So I think it's related to that, and we have seen that in the I think the cash numbers from the FI side also, though they are not large at all on the negative side, but they are still negative. So I think in this case, market is trying to a little bit slide on the lower side, and that is what we are experiencing.
This is a passing phase, and once the correction will run out of its course, will India bounce back?
No, see, I will put it this way, that you have to see the market from two aspects. One is up till the general elections or the outcome of the general election, and next I think after the general elections what happens. So after elections, I think it's a very tough call to take what happens and all. Then obviously one should take a call after it has happened. Now up to the general elections, my sense is that there will be once a massive rise in the market, and that rise to my mind could be somewhere closer to 6,800 levels or so. The reason I say, because typically market rise in an event before the event. The likelihood of the event is very positive. I think that's as of today. Obviously, if things change in the next couple of months, then market will also react accordingly as to projected numbers for the NDA government, etc., what comes in the next 2 months. But my sense is overall that there will be a tendency for market to pull upwards. And last 2-3 months, now we have seen the 6,100 levels even in the month of October or so. Last 3 months, if you generally see, right, every month I think market tends to somewhere go closer to 52-week high.
Okay, I'm just going to take a detour and just mention an important update on the spectrum auction. The third round is over. There's excess demand in Delhi, Kolkata for the 900 megahertz spectrum, which is what is the most important spectrum for telecom companies. So the demand from telecom companies is very strong. We don't know a sense of the real pricing per se, but the fact that there's excess demand in Delhi and Kolkata, it clearly means that telecom companies are ready to pay top in order to acquire that more pie of that 900 megahertz spectrum.
And also in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh West and East, as well as Gujarat in the 1800 megahertz category. So that's the latest update from round 3 of the spectrum auction, which is currently underway.
Piyush, I hear that Nifty could go to 6,800 before elections. Did I hear it wrong or you said it wrong?
No, you heard it correct.
6,800.
Yeah.
Why do you say that? Why do you think Nifty could go to 6,800? Because right now we are at 6,000.
No,
you expect markets to appreciate by 10% before election?
No, see, right now we are at 6,000, but just 10 days back we were closer to 6,350. And at that time, if you had spoken to any technical chartist, they would have said that now we have crossed 6,330, the next level is 65, 66 and all that. So that levels keep changing. See, my sense is that if the election outcome is positive, which now I think many TV channels are also trying to project as to if, let's say, elections were held today, which government would be formed at the center. So if NDA-led government is going to get formed at the center, my sense is that market will try to price in some part of that event before the event. And so hence I say that market will have a tendency to run up till that. And we saw the similar effect happened in the market during the assembly elections as well, when there was this 4 or 5 states which were going into assembly elections couple of months back in the month of December. So it's based upon that. I think the market will tend to, and last 3 months market has always tended to go towards 52 weeks in a matter of 15-20 days from wherever it has fallen. So hence I feel that So I think a lot of that have got into the price to my mind, might not have too much of downside left. Yes, I think if we do not have a very strong government again at the center and things start deteriorating on the macro front 8 months, 12 months, 15 months from now, then these banks could again give you minus 30-40% return. That is entirely possible, Milab. But the only thing is one has to on that kind of a scenario, not now, only after the new government is formed. So till that time, I would say that these banks at every dip is a good buy. And if the market rebounds, they will tend to give you significant returns till the elections.
Piyush, appreciate your time and thank you for joining us.